How are you? Today I am going to discuss journal. Okay, journal I am going to discuss. Analyze the following transaction. State the nature of accounts. Uh, analyze the following. Analyze the following transaction. State the nature of accounts and which which uh, which account will be debited and which account will be credited according to the transactional approach. Clear? So this is journal. I am going to discuss journal. Clear? Journal I am going to discuss it. Please see the first question. Okay, how will you solve? And it is better to take the screenshot of this question. Then I am going to solve this question. Okay, please take the screenshot. I am going to solve it. First question is deposited cash into bank for opening an account. Okay, deposited cash into bank for opening account. Second, withdrew cash for personal use, and third, withdrew cash from bank for office use 10,000. Okay, so please take the screenshot of this question. Okay, you have taken a screenshot of this question. Now I am going to discuss it. How will you solve this question? I am going to discuss it. Okay, very good. So at first I am going to discuss analysis of transaction. Please see it. Analysis of transaction. Yeah, your first question was that. What was the first question? Your first question was deposited cash into bank. Deposited cash into bank. It was your first question. Clear? At first I have written here analysis of transaction. Clear? Accounts involved, nature of accounts, how affected, debited and credited. Clear? I have written here. Okay. The first is given. What is given? Deposited cash into bank for bank 50,000 for opening an account. Okay, which type of account is involved? Deposited cash into bank for 50,000 for opening account. So bank account debit to cash. So which type of accounts is involved here? Which type of account is involved? I think you can see it very easily without any problem. Okay, I think you can see it. So which type of account is involved? I am going to discuss it. Please see it. So deposited cash into bank for 50,000. So bank account debit. Bank account debit to cash. Okay. Nature of account, bank is which account? Bank is personal account and cash is real account. Clear? Cash is real account. How affected? I am going to do. Bank is the receiver. Bank is the receiver. Bank is receiver and bank is receiver and cash is going out. Cash is going out and deposited cash into bank for 50,000. How amount is already given 50,000. Then write down the amount here 50,000 and 50,000. Written the amount